Hey there, you have to see this stunning renovation at 1327 Hibiscus Road in Fayetteville, North Carolina. And that's close to I-295 in downtown and Fort Liberty. This is David Saddlemeyer, Central 1 The Realty Group. For more information on this or any home for sale in town, visit my website, davidhomesforsale.com. That's the number 4. You can also subscribe to the YouTube channel you're currently watching. You can change your video options to 1080p to see everything in high definition. Newer roof, big front porch, pretty landscaping and brick veneer. And so much is new for this remodel. New windows, new plumbing, new HVAC. And let's step inside to see even more new inside. All new flooring, paint, fixtures. This is the living room. Some recessed lighting, fans and blinds throughout. Followed by the kitchen, all brand new as well. Stainless steel appliances, granite counters, subway tile backsplash. Beautiful. Utility room here. Laundry hookups. And the fenced-in backyard with a workshop and a patio. Down the hallway, 2 full bathrooms and 3 bedrooms. The bathrooms are all new. Linen closet. First bedroom. Second bedroom. Everything just really pops with this remodel. And the owner suite. Closet. And bathroom. A real quality remodel. And this matches the other bathroom. Give me a call, 910-723-8888 to see this or any home for sale in town. And check back soon for more videos on my channel. Hope you enjoyed the tour.